morning children. Yesterday we learned 4-digit number and the place values also. Values also we learned yesterday. Today we will learn 5-digit number, and yesterday's 4-digit number is there, no? That expanded form, number name also I'll tell you, and introduction of 5-digit number, the new place I'll tell you, that numbers also we will do. 5-digit number also we will learn today. Okay. Now yesterday's 4-digit number, yesterday we learned the place value, and today I will tell you about the how to write the number name. For example, here I will give you a number, and after 3 digits you will put comma, already you all know. Then how you will read this? 4848. Yesterday I told you how to read the number also. And this one we will write in the place value chart. We divide this one into 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. The first from here we will start from right side. This is the ones place, and this is the tens place, and this is the hundreds place, and this will be the thousands place. And we will write this number here. We will start from ones. So 8 here, 4, 8 and 4. After 3 digits, we will put comma. Small comma you put. This is 4848. Now today we will learn how to write this number in words. How you will write? When you are saying no, you will say this number like this. 4848. How you are saying, the same thing you will write in words. Number name. This one will write in a number name. How you will write? 4 spelling F-O-U-R. 4,000. 4 is in thousands place. So 4,000. Thousand spelling T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. Thousand. 4,000. 8 is in which place? Hundreds. So 800. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Hundred spelling H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. 800. And these two at a time. 48. So you write 48. 40 spelling F-O-R-T-Y. 48. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Now you all know how to write 4-digit number in words. And same thing we will write in expanded form also. How you will write in expanded form? When you are writing the expanded form, we will start from the greatest place value. In this, the greatest place value is thousands. So in the thousands place, which digit is there? 4. So 4 is in thousands place. So what you will write here? 4,000. 1,000, how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So 4 is in thousands place. So 4,000 plus 8 is in hundreds place. 800, for 100 2 zeros. So we will put 2 zeros plus 4. 4 is in the tens place. For 10 only 1 zero. So 40 plus 8. Ones place. Ones place in single digit. That is 8. Here in 4-digit number, yesterday we learned the place value, and today we learned the number name, how to write the number, and expanded form. This is the expanded form. These all is completed for you in 3rd class. 3rd class you all learned. Just revision part we did. Now I'll start 5-digit number. This 5-digit number is new for you. The next place you will get. In the 4 digits you are getting till 1000. What will be the next place? That we'll see now. Okay children? I think you all understood this 4 digit. Now we'll start 5-digit number. Okay? 5-digit number means what will be the new place you think? What will be the new place you think? See here? 5-digit number. This is a new for you. In 5-digit number, first I will write some numbers here having 5 digits. Here 4, 6, 2, 3 and 1. See here how many digits are there, we'll count it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here after 3 digits you must put comma. Already you all know. So how you will read this one, I will tell you later on. Now next number also I will give you. 2, 3, 0, 6, 7. After 3 digits 1, 2, 3 we'll put comma. So you will get 5 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit number. Here I gave you 2 numbers, like that you can write so many numbers having 5 digits. Now how you will read this 5 digit number? How you will read means you must know the place value. Place value. In the place value chart, first I will draw this place value chart, then you know how to read 5 digit number. Come, I will draw here 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This will be the ones place. This will be the tens place. The next will be the hundreds place. Next will be the thousands place. And the next will be, what will be the next place? That is 10,000. What will be the next place? That is 10,000. T and 10,000. THOUSANDS. Thousands. 10,000s place. Ones place. ONES. Ones. Tens. 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 Hundreds. 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 Thousands. 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 And the next new place for you is 10,000. That is T and 10. THOUSANDS. 10,000. Now this number will put here in the place value. Then you will know how to read 5 digit number. Now we will put this one. First we must start from ones. So here in the ones, last here 1, next 3, next 2, next 6 and the next is 4. After 3 digits we will put comma. Now how you will read? Here 1000 and 10,000 will be in thousands period. That also you must know. Periods also you must know. If it is 5 digit, this will be the period. What it is? It is period. This is the place value. What is that? That is the place value. This is one example number. Period. Period. How you will get the period? Ones, tens and hundreds will come under ones period. This 3 will come under ones period. 1000 and 10,000 will come under thousands period. THOUSANDS. Thousands period. Ones, tens, 100 will come under ones period. 1000 and 10,000 will come under thousands period. Now how you will read? 46,231. How you will read? 46,231. Now we will read this one. Already we read this one. This one we will read now. Here we will write the place value in a short form. Ones means O, tens means T, hundreds means H, thousands means TH. 10,000 means T is a 10, 1,000 means TH. So how you will read? 23,000. No hundreds here. So don't say anything in hundreds please. 67. 23,067. Like that you will read the 5 digit number. And tomorrow we will learn how to write this 5 digit in number name. Okay? Now you all understood 5 digit number and how to write in the place value chart and the periods also. Ones, tens, 100 will come under ones period. 1000 and 10,000 will come under thousands period. Now you all understood how to read 5-digit number. Here I will give you some numbers. You read it first. 2, 7, 6, 4, 3, comma. Here how you will read? First you put the place value top. Ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. How you will read? 27,643. Like that you will read 5-digit number. I hope that you all understood 5-digit number and how to read 5-digit number. And the place values also I will tell you. See here, 1 is in the ones place. Already you know 1. 3 in the tens place. 2 in the hundreds place. 6 is in thousands place. 4 is in 10,000s place. Here how you will write the place value? This is the place value. How you will write the place value means 1 is in ones place, that is 1. Ones place means 1. 1 ones are, that is 1. Ones value is, place value is 1. Now 3 is in tens place. Tens place, tens means that is 10. 3 into 10, that is 30. The next place is 2. 2 is in hundreds place. 2 is in hundreds place. That is 100 means 100. 2 into 100, that is 200. Now next is the thousands place. Which digit is there in the thousands place? Here 6. So 6 is in thousand place. Thousand spelling THOUSANDS. Thousands place. So 1000 means how many zeros you are getting? 3. Which digit is there? 6. So 6 into 1000, that is 6000. After 3 digits you will put comma. Now next new place for you is 10,000. Which digit is there in 10,000 place? 4. 4 is in 10,000. 10 T and 10 thousand. THOUSAND. 10,000. 10,000s. Yes, also you must write 10,000s place. That is, which digit is there? 4. 4 into 10,000 means how many zeros you are getting? Here for 1,000, 3 zeros. For 10,000, 4 zeros you will get. After 3 digits, you will get comma. So the place value of 4 is 40,000. That is 40,000. Now the place value of 4 in 10,000 is 40,000. I think that you all understood 5-digit number, place value chart, period and values also, place values also, and how to read 5-digit number. Tomorrow we'll learn the remaining part. Thank you, children.